Hello guys, I bought the DJI OSMO Action 4 standard combo. I was thinking about buying the Action 5, but it was almost $100 more today. So no, I bought this one instead. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. There's the accessory pack. Whoa, and there's a little camera. It's so tiny. What's this? Oh, the DJI store. Little dry pack thing. I guess there's nothing under there. Well, anyways. Maybe we can start with the accessory pack. And things are always so tight. There, there you go. Now you can see. There. That looks like the charging cable. Yes, the charging cable. And a thumb screw. Let me get rid of this box. What is this? Very sticky. Oh. Here's the battery. How do you open it? There we go. There's the battery. And this looks like a, let's see. Oh yes, I guess that goes to the bottom of the camera and it sticks on some curved surface. What is this? I don't know what that is. And this looks like the instructions. Yeah, who needs those? Oh, quick start guide. Maybe I'll use that later. And little stickers. Wow, I think that's it for the box. Oh, look at this. Oh, that must be the magnetic mount. I guess this part goes on the camera and this part screws into a something. Maybe with a little thumb screw. Oh yes, look at that, it goes right in there. Here's the thumb screw. And this looks like the frame, a metal frame to cover the camera. Here's the little camera itself, if I can get it open. Ooh, it's very small. Look at that. It's so light. Ooh, there's the cover for the lens. And it looks like, oh yes, this goes on here like this. Maybe. Oh, you gotta open it up first. Oh, and then you clamp it down like that. There's the frame. There's the back of the camera. There's the front. And I think this thing goes down here. Oh, look, it just went off to the side. Oh. Oh, yeah. Look, it's a magnetic mount. Oh, there we go. That's better. Try to get this thing off here. Oh, look at that. The little squeeze things on the side. That's much nicer. Let's open this up. Oh, wait a minute. I heard there's something on the side. Oh, yeah. You can take it. Oh, and you can mount it like that. And you press the little squeeze things, I guess, and pull it off. And you can mount it that way or that way. Let's take this off here. Here's the camera itself. And this thing goes on the bottom somehow. There we go. Then it clamps in there a little bit. Oh, it's so nice. And then just press these little things. Ah. Oh my goodness, my fingers. Why does it want to come off? Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Ah, there we go. Ooh. Oh, that opens up there. Oh, that's where the SD card goes. And the battery. Well, anyways, that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.